Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Esther Umorin. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, if you love this video, do not hesitate to hit the like button. Alright, if you have a comment for us, you can drop it in the comment box. Alright, and do not forget to share this video with your friends. Share with everyone you think will need this. All right, so just like I have said before, on this channel we try to simplify things. We try to make mathematics very simple for teachers, simple for pupils. That way they can get their sums right without stressing themselves. So in this video today, we're going to see how to solve positive and negative numbers when we are working with them. Working with them means adding them, subtracting them, all right, dividing and multiplication. That will come up in the subsequent video. The focus of this video is on addition and subtraction of negative numbers. Usually a lot of students get confused when it comes to adding and subtracting negative numbers. In this video, you're going to learn a very simple way. Remember, we are here to simplify things for your pupils, for your teachers. You're going to learn a very simple way of achieving this, and this works for all numbers that you can think of. And remember, for this video, you only work with two numbers at a particular time. If you have 3, 4 numbers, then you can consider solving the first two, all right, the next two, and all of that till you get the final answer. All right, so to solve this, all you need to do is to understand a simple principle. And the principle is, when the signs are the same, add the numbers and put that sign in the answer. When the signs are the same, add the numbers and put that sign in the answer. But when the signs are different, subtract the numbers and put the sign of the bigger number in the answer. That's simple. All right. Once you understand that principle, you can solve any question related to this easily. All right, so we're going to be looking at the different examples. All right, here we have minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5. Different signs. Don't forget our rule. Our rule says different signs, subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And we add the sign of the bigger number, which is plus 2, which is the same thing as 2. So minus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2. The next example is minus 6 plus 1. Different signs here. What do? We subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. 6 minus 1 is 5. And the sign of the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus 5. Alright, now to the next example. Minus 4 minus 8. Alright, the signs here are the same. And we know that same signs we add and put the sign in the answer. We add and put the sign in the answer. 4 plus 8 is 12. Because the same signs is minus, we will put minus in the answer. So minus 4 minus 8 is equal to minus 12. All right, to the next question. We have minus 7 plus 12. The signs here are different, so we will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. All right, so 12 minus 7 is 5. The sign of the bigger number is plus. So our answer is plus 5, which is also equal to 5. The next example here is minus 12 plus 10. All right, different signs here. So we're going to subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. The sign of the bigger number, which is 12 here, is minus. So our answer is equal to minus 2. We are moving to the next example now. We have minus 6 plus 12. All right, different signs here. So we will subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So 12 minus 6 is 6. The sign of the bigger number here is plus. So our answer is plus 6, which is the same thing as 6. All right, now to the next example. Here we have 10 minus 12. All right, note that in front of every whole number there is an invisible plus sign. So this is the same thing like saying plus 10 minus 12. All right, that gives us different signs. And when we have different signs, we subtract and put the sign of the bigger number. So 12 minus 10 is 2. The sign of the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus 2. All right, now in some cases we have two signs, all right, one outside of the brackets and one inside the brackets, just like we can see here. All right, so how do we solve them? To be able to solve this, we must understand one principle. All right, the principle is if the signs are the same outside and inside the brackets, it will become plus. But if the signs are different, it becomes minus. All right, so same signs becomes plus, different signs become minus. For the first one, we have plus and minus, so it becomes minus. So we have minus 4, minus 6. And from what we saw earlier, the same signs here now, we will add the numbers and put the sign. So the answer is minus 10. For the second one, we have minus 5 minus 3. This becomes minus 5 plus 3. All right. And because the signs are different here, remember the very first rule, we will subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. And we will put the sign of the bigger number, which is minus. And our final answer will be minus 2. All right, now the last one, minus 6 plus brackets minus 2. So we will clear the brackets. The sign outside and inside are plus and minus. They are different signs. So each will become minus. So that's the same thing as saying minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2. All right, so same signs. Remember the first rule. We will add the numbers and put that sign. So minus 6 minus 2 gives us minus 8. All right, so that's how to solve questions like this. All right, on this channel, we actually solve quantitative questions also, and we have online classes for those who are struggling with maths. If you have issues with your maths and you want to attend our online classes, we have online classes for you at a very affordable cost. All right, if you love this video, please hit the like button, give us a thumbs up, drop your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video and subscribe to this channel. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button now. Share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.